Yeah, Tracy, this is like in the air. Look. Oh my God.
It just fell down. Oh my God.
Amazing.
No, it's not.
Wait, you sit alone?
He's just telling you come afternoon, come at night, come because they don't want you to be in the line. They don't want you to be lying. They don't want people complaining.